On Wednesday morning, the President of Guyana and leader of the PNCR, David Granger, paid his respects to the family and friends of Malcolm Lord Canary Carrica. The President was greeted by Canary's son and daughter and expressed his government's sadness on the loss of a great Calypsonian. When the President had finished viewing the body, he wrote the following in the Book of Condolences, and I quote, "The government of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana is deeply saddened by the death of Malcolm Carrica, an outstanding cultural personality of the 20th century. The People's National Congress Reform also expressed its sincere sympathy to the children and relatives on the passing of the former minister." End of quote. Mr. Granger went on to state in the Book of Condolences, and I quote, "Malcolm Lord Canary Carrica was a cultural legend who loved Guyana, who stood by the people and the nation in the good times and bad." End of quote. The President regretted he could not attend the funeral service because of other pressing matters of state. Meanwhile, the son and daughter of the late Calypsonian, Malcolm Carrica Jr. and Pauline Pamela Carrica, as well as members of the Calypsonian fraternity, spoke of the good news they had spent with Lord Canary and what he had done to impact their lives. What would you remember your father by? How was your father to you as a son?
He was a loving father, very serious person.
What would be your fondest memory of him?
Oh, his music. Yeah. It was just for the time. If you're smart, you can't understand it.
Father was a legend. He have done well. From his youth up, he's been doing well. Went into the YSM, he was with Burnham, and from there on, he just keep moving up.
But Canary, he's the man that sing on, "All are we are one family, open the door, let the man come in."
He encouraged me to join the Guyana Calypsonians Association, which I did, and I'm a member on to now. Canary was my one-time brother-in-law, and only 3 weeks ago I speak to Canary, and I didn't know that, just a minute baby, and I didn't know that this man passed away. This thing really shocked me, and he was to write a winning song for me.
The funeral activities planned for Malcolm Lord Canary Carrica involves a further viewing of the body at the Cultural Center Tarmac and the funeral service at St. Matthew's Anglican Church, Providence, East Bank, Demerara. Malcolm Lord Canary Carrica was 79 years old. Andrew Weeks reporting for Safe TV2 Headline News.